once again we are here with our chapter number 6 and the name of the chapter is tissues. Till now we have done few topics of the tissue. In tissues we have done plant tissue. In plant tissues I have explained lot of things. First I have divided plant tissue into two categories. First meristematic tissue and second permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue again I have explained there are three types of meristematic or dividing tissue. One is apical. Apical means apex of the root and stem. Second is lateral. And third is intercalary. So apical, they will increase the height of the plant, and lateral, it will just increase the width of the plant, and intercalary, which is present in internodes, they will also increase the height of the branches, etc. So meristematic tissue question is very important. You have to prepare nicely for exam. And second tissue I have explained in detail, that is simple permanent tissue. In simple permanent tissue again I have explained collenchyma, parenchyma and sclerenchyma with lot of differences. And one tissue I have also explained, that is protective tissue. In protective tissue I have explained epidermis and core with their function. Today my topic is there complex permanent tissue. If the question comes, differentiate simple and permanent tissue, permanent tissue, you have to write some differences. Simple I have explained. Today complex 3-4 points just I am going to explain. Otherwise if I will go in detail you will be confused. So complex means, as the name is there, they are made up of more than one types of cells. In simple we have seen in parenchyma all the cells will be of same type, but here they are made up of different types of cell. But all the cell coordinate to perform a common function, because different 4 types of cell they will combine and they will perform a single or common function. They will not do separate. Means there is a very teamwork, good teamwork is there. Next here the cells are living organisms. In complex permanent tissue the cells will be maybe living or maybe dead, and they may be thin or thick walled cells. So now general structure about the cell of the complex permanent tissue and the function: transport water, minerals and food materials. We will discuss just now. If they are transporting water and mineral, they are called xylem, and food material they are called the phloem. So types here, 2 types on the basis of their function, xylem and phloem. They are also called, xylem, phloem, also called the vascular tissues. Another name is vascular tissues, or we can say in bundles. They are also called conducting tissue or transporting tissues. So here today just in complex permanent tissue I am going to explain about the xylem. Xylem means you have seen in your house long pipelines are there, multi-stories building is there. How the water is moving from the tank to last floor of the building. How can it possible? Through the pipe. Same thing happen in the plants. So they are like, we can say, pipe-like structures. Xylem are, they are pipe-like structures from which the water from the root to different parts of the plant is going on. So xylem, just if I am going to speak, xylem is a conducting tissue for absorb water and mineral from root to other plant parts. So they are water pipe for the plant. The fluid present in that xylem is called xylem cell. Water flow in xylem is unidirectional. The water will be go upward, means it will always unidirectional. Xylem cell with hard lignified cell wall provide mechanical support. Just I will discuss, if they have high lignified, they will perform the function of mechanical support. So xylem derived from the Greek word. Xylem word is derived from the xylon. Xylem means wood, Greek word. W-O-O-D, or we can say secondary xylem. So there are 4 types of xylem tissue. Tracheids and vessels. Tracheids and vessels are main conducting cells. So we can say they are the actual water conducting cells. They are also called tracheids. Just see here, T-R-A-C-H-E-A-R-I, tracheids elements, or we can say essential elements. They are the main water conducting cells. And 2-1 is their xylem parenchyma and xylem fiber or sclerenchyma. They are called the associate elements. So these are the component or element of the xylem. So first cell is there in xylem is tracheids. What is the spelling? Just see carefully. T-R-A-C-H-E-I-D. Tracheids. Again, I am going to explain now structure and their function. 3 types: vessel, parenchyma. I will explain tomorrow. So tracheid, their structure is tube-like structure. Elongated cells. The ends will be tapering. The main important, just you can see here, the ends will be tapering, because in vessel we will discuss their ends will be not in this way. Tapering ends, we can say their ends are pointed. You can say pointed ends. And the main function there, they conduct water through pits. In these pits are there, they will conduct water through pits, or we can say the pores. Their wall is lignified and it is thick and dead. This concept I have explained in sclerenchyma tissue. Lignin deposition is there on the cell wall. So lignin makes the wall thick and dead. So what will happen here in tracheid? Lignin deposition will be more. So what will happen? The lumen will become narrow. The space will be, we can say, less. So if I will join all the points, I can explain that tracheids are elongated, tapering, lignifying, thick wall and dead cell with narrow lumen. So lignin, what is the function of lignin is there? Lignin always in hydrophobic in nature, which make efficient water transport possible. Means lignin will not absorb water. So what will happen? Water can easily move. Their nature is there. They will not absorb water. So whatever plant is absorbed, it will move upward direction. The hard lignified walls have 1 or more rows of border pit. So you will not confuse what are pits in simple word, pores. So pit is a cavity. We can say pit is a small cavity or a thin portion in the lignified cell wall of tracheid and in vessels, which help in lateral movement of water between tracheid and vessel. And now the function of xylem, they transport water and minerals in the major function. Major function is transportation of water or we can say dissolved substance, minerals in the plant from root to the different parts of the plant. And being thick-walled, they also give mechanical support. जैसे ही lignin deposition होगा, they will support the plants. Today, just I am going to explain only trachete. Tomorrow, I will explain next cell, vessel, parenchyma, fiber, and some major differences between two tracheids and vessels with diagrams I will differentiate. I hope your concept regarding today's video in complex permanent and some characteristic feature of xylem and tracheids are more clear. Thank you.